Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. We have a question to solve under quadratic equation where we are asked to use the factorization method. The question says solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. So this question has specified the type of method to be used. Okay, so we have to follow the instruction. The equation is x squared minus x minus 56 is equal to 0. Okay, so solving this, the first step, what we have to do is to take the coefficients of the first and the last number. So from here, we take the coefficients of the first and the last value. So the coefficient here is 1, while the coefficient here is 56. So all we need to do from here is to multiply the two coefficients, which is 1 times 56, which gives us 56. So from this step, we get two numbers in which when we multiply them gives us 56. And the numbers are, we have 1 and 56. When you multiply 1 times 56, it gives us 56. We have 2 and 28. When we multiply 2 by 28, it gives us 56. We also have 4 and 14. Multiplying 4 times 14 also gives us 56. Another value we have is 7 and 8. 7 times 8 also gives us 56. So now these are the values we have. The two numbers in which when we multiply gives us 56. Okay, so at this point, all we need to do is to consider what we have at the middle here. Okay, so what we have here is actually minus x, and the coefficient of minus x here is minus 1. Okay, so we pick two numbers here in which when we add or subtract gives us minus 1. Okay, and the numbers we have 1 and 56, 2 and 28, 4 and 14, 7 and 8. So we can see that if we pick 7 and 8, if we add and subtract, we can get minus 1 by saying plus 7 minus 8. So plus 7 minus 8 gives us minus 1. So from here, we substitute in the values of these numbers into the equation. Okay, so now this equation now becomes x squared. Now this minus x will be replaced with this. So this becomes plus 7x minus 8x. Then we have the minus 56 here equals to 0. So from this point, we factorize. Factorizing, we take the first two terms and the last two terms and we put them in a bracket. So from here, let's bring out the factors. The factors, here we have x squared plus 7x. So the common factor we have here is x. Okay, so when we factorize x out of this, here we'll be having x plus 7. Okay, so we have minus, the common factor here is 8. Okay, so we have open bracket. When we factorize 8 from this, we are left with x, but this negative here becomes what? Positive. Okay, so when we factorize 8 from 56, we are left with 7 equals to 0. So at this point, you can see that all we have in the brackets, they're all the same. So we take one of the brackets, which is x plus 7, and the other term we have now is x, that is x minus 8. All of this now equals to 0. So this implies, or this means that x plus 7 is equals to 0, or x minus 8 is equals to 0. So let's call it like terms. This is the same thing as saying x is equal to 0 minus 7, where x is equals to minus 7. Okay, or we can say x is equal to 0 plus 8, and here we have x is equals to 8. So our final answer is x is equals to minus 7 or 8 as our final answer. But we can confirm if we are correct, though. That's the beauty of quadratic equation. After getting your final answer, you can always confirm. So we can pick any of the values here to confirm our answer. So if you input any of this value into the equation given, we must have the answer to be 0. That indicates that our answer is correct. So let's use the value of minus 7. So we all know that the equation is x squared minus x minus 56 is equals to 0. So let's impute the value of x as minus 7. So this is minus 7 squared minus, so this x now is also becomes minus 7 minus 56. Okay, so minus 7 squared here gives us 49, And minus times minus gives us plus 7, and we have minus 56. So 49 plus 7 here gives us 56, and we have the 56 here. So we can see that 56 minus 56 here gives us 0, and which indicates that, or shows that our answer, one of our answer is correct. So viewers, you can also try to use the value of x equals to 8 and impute into the equation given in the question to see or to verify if the value for x equals to 8 is correct. So viewers, please do this and tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching once more. See you in our next class, and bye for now.